Hello everyone, welcome to the Offices Adda 24/7, the special session of your BRBL subject in the English medium language. So we are analyzing the second and third shift of the BRBL exam. As the students are saying that if we talk about the second and third shift, so it was easy to moderate level. And if I compare the first shift, so the first shift is basically, right, that is moderate to hard. It is moderate to hard. This is the first shift, analysis. Because many candidates, in the first shift hardly score, that is above 50 marks, hardly. But in the second and third shift, many candidates get 55 to 60 marks in the BRBL subject. So this is very, very much important. If students are saying that, ma'am, the paper is very tough, the reason is only one. Why the paper is tough? Because I always used to say that focus on the paid class. Whatever the concept that I am highlighting in the paid class, that is very, very much important. Then whatever the question that I give in the paid class, these questions are important. Then your mock paper that we give in the paid class, that is important. And if we talk about the YouTube session, so YouTube session are very, very much important. Number one, in the YouTube session, what we are doing basically what? The first thing is that we are doing summary of the act, right? The questions of book we always do. Then definition terms. Sir and ma'am, your basically questions, come from this portion, that is 50 to 60% marks. 50 to 60% marks come from this one. So Chatterjee sir, you are saying that, ma'am, the too many questions from the section. So sir, that's why I always in the YT session used to give you these proper session. Pankaj sir, a big congratulations to all of you. 65 marks in the first attempt in the second slot. So Chatterjee sir, if you follow these things, I don't think that you people will not get the good marks. You are saying that, ma'am, the sections are also come in the exam. So guys, in the paid class, I always used to highlight the sections. So if everything is available here, so why you people not do these things? Tell me. You are not doing this thing. That's why you are saying that the paper is tough. This is this. This is a very important portion, and that's why I used to, do in the YT session, the summary of the act, question of the bank, definition term. A very, very important thing. Okay, now if we talk about the questions of this one, okay, now directors in company. And in this session also, if I just say you, the marathon that we conduct, marathon in English medium and in bilingual language, that is very, very much important. That is very, very much important, the marathon that we conduct before the exam. And you cannot say that, ma'am, the question is coming out of these things. Every question has come in these sessions. This is my challenge. This is my challenge class. Every questions come from these sessions. If you are talking about the section, if you are talking about the punishment, penalty, everything I have just given you in the paid plus YT session. Excellent, Pinky ma'am. Pinky ma'am, you got 51. Congratulations. Pankaj sir, again, congratulations. Paper look easy but very confusing, ma'am. Chatterjee sir, confusing. Why? Could you tell me that since from which month you are preparing? Tell me. From which, and just ask yourself, Chatterjee sir, that you have done these things or not. Ask yourself. If the answer is yes, ma'am, I have done all these things, so I can't believe that you cannot clear the BRBL subject. So this is very, very much important. Is that okay? So your question basically come from the what? Directors of the company, right? Then maximum number of members in company, that is important. Okay, salient feature of LLP, salient features of LLP, that is very much important. Anamolus mortgage, what an easy question, sir. Anamolus mortgage, that is, I think we have just done. Arun sir, 62, congratulations sir, congratulations. Oh my God, Chatterjee sir, hardly 2 and 3 days. So sir, please don't assume that you will get 60 plus marks. If a student is saying that, ma'am, within seeing the marathon, I just got 60 plus marks, because that person, that student have a caliber to grasp the things. But every students are not equal. These fingers are not equal. So just try to analyze yourself, sir. If you just analyze yourself, you can easily get 60 plus, 70 plus marks. Excluding past and present member, what is the maximum number in a private company? So maximum is 200. Maximum is 200. Right? And section based question, if you are saying, ma'am, section based question. So section based question always come from the contract, surface, etc. That's it. Okay, usufructuary mortgage, everything we have just read, sir. Usufructuary mortgage, that is important. That is important, guys. Just because of you, I am able to clear. Exactly, Pinky ma'am, because you have a caliber to do this thing, ma'am. And congratulations. And some more question, if I will show you pledge and surface and IBC. Then what is the relation of bank and customer? IBC, 2 cases come. Prevention of Corruption Act, the punishment was asked. Payment and Settlement Act, year was asked. Case study question 143A. This section we have done. And check question. Pankaj sir is saying, ma'am, first time so many direct question was Pankaj sir. In the June session also, na sir, 70 plus question were asked directly. And Pankaj sir, if we just focus on the paid bash now, we can easily do these types of questions. We can easily do, trust me. But if the student are saying, ma'am, within 2 and 3 days, I hardly study. So don't umeed mat kariye. Okay, don't presume that you will get so much marks. Don't presume. Okay, now safe custody bank. If we deposit jewelry in the bank, so what is the relation between bank and customer? Then assignment, try, SOGA 3 to 4 question, CAIRP, FSDC chairman. I think yesterday in marathon we have done the chairmanship of the FSDC. And Company Act, that's it. Directors, Maria Chemical Company, Prevention of Money Laundering Act punishment, FEMA punishment, life and liberty. Within how many hours we have to give the, within 48 hours, okay. Excluding present and present members, sir. Rashika sir, I don't know this answer, but I will just search out this question, that how many members in the private company, excluding present and this one. Okay, I will search out. Agent, IUS and IT, who is the appellate authority? Bank and customer relationship in the bailment and bailee. So bank is a bailee and customer is a bailer. That's it. So sir and ma'am, please trust me and focus on these things if you really want to crack your exam. If you really want to crack this exam, this is the only way in which you can crack the exam. So it's a request to all of you. Focus on these things, okay? And Adda 24/7. I think now the next is your elective paper. So in the elective paper, click on all courses, JIB, CAIIB, November 2023. This is your elective paper is ready. This is your elective paper case study. It's a video course, ebooks. So this is the complete package, okay? You can see the elective paper of your, this one, IT, right? Your central banking, risk management, everything is there. Everything is there, okay? So if you want, suppose if you want a HR, so if you want the HR, click on this one, HR, click on buy now and coupon code Y391. If you click on Y391, you can get 80% discount today's. Thank you so much, Akbar sir. Thank you so much, guys. Pillar of IBC, we know that is a insolvency professionals, board, adjudicating authority, and your the 4 pillars are there in the IBC. So these things are very, very much important. So please focus on the things that I have told you in your exam. The paid class, YT session especially. So that's all for today's class. Thank you so much, and do not forget to share your comment and marks in the comment box. Thank you so much, guys.